It has been a while. We are well on our way into 2024 now. And since October, my life has been insanely busy. We had my husband's birthday in October, and my gift to him was tickets to a music festival called Aftershock. So we did that, and then when we came back, it was my daughter's birthday. And then we had Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's, my birthday, and then my son's birthday. So lots of celebrations going on and festivities keeping me busy. We went to Great Wolf Lodge, which is an indoor water park for my son's 11th birthday, and we had a great time there. And now I'm getting back on track with cleaning and trying to get everything ready for summer, starting with some spring cleaning. In this video, I am deep cleaning my son's room. His closet was an absolute mess. I couldn't even open it hardly. And so I definitely wanted to clear that out as well as clean under his bed. So I'm starting there. I'm just getting all the trash out of here, all these little knickknacks, put them where they need to go. And then I'm going to go ahead and vacuum, mop, and clean the baseboards under here and actually wash the walls too, because he'll like stick his feet up on the walls, his hands, they get all grimy. So I'm going to wash the walls as well. If you're new here or you forgot who I am since it's been a while, my name's Carrie and I love making cleaning videos as a hobby. Cleaning has always been something that's just enjoyable to me. I love the reward of sitting down and relaxing after doing some cleaning around the house, knowing that I checked something off my list and was productive that day. And honestly, it's a bit of a stress reliever for me just to get my spaces in order, but it has been very busy, like I said. And so lately I have not had the time or the energy to make YouTube videos. It does make cleaning take longer. You got to get the right shots. I feel like I have to clean like I'd have to finish this corner before I move the camera to another area, where in reality, that's not really how I clean. I might wipe down all the wood. I might wipe down all the glass and then come through and do all the floors, and I'm moving around from room to room, but it's hard to film that way, and it's not very efficient to film that way. So yeah, it has been, cleaning at least, been a little bit of a chore for me lately. It's something that I just need to get done, and so I'll just do it rather than film it. But I've been thinking a lot about YouTube videos, and just like I want to get back into it. So here I am with today's video. I live in California with my husband of 13 years and our 2 kids, and we have been working on making our house a home, and I'm slowly doing stuff here and there to finish up some of these spaces. This specific cleaning video was kind of the catalyst to finish up my son's room. Ideally, I would like to get him some new curtains and curtain rods in here, maybe paint, but the color honestly isn't that bad. It's just not what he would choose. It is what was on the walls when we moved in. And definitely some new furniture. Actually, since I filmed this video, he did get new bedding for his bed, and we got rid of this little nightstand. As you can see, the laminate is like peeling off of the top. So he got a new nightstand. It's really cool from Amazon. It has some lights, and it's just more his style. And we got him another little shelf for some of his gaming stuff over by his desk area. But the curtains got to go for sure. They drive me crazy. I want them to touch the ground and just be a different color. So that's next on my list. Also, we had this artwork. It's Pokemon artwork that he got as a gift, and we hadn't hung up yet. So I want to get those on the walls. We did get them up on this day, but I don't have it in this video. But definitely in some future videos, you'll see those. Next on my list is my daughter's room, and then our primary bedroom. So there's always something kind of going on around here that I'd love to share with you. So if you're into homemaking content, make sure and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my videos. moving into a stage with both my kids where they aren't as interested with toys and things like that. So the toys in my son's room are minimal. He keeps like his Legos and his Nerf guns. What I really need to go through is this little bookshelf here. There are a lot of books that are more for younger kids, or my kids just don't have an interest in reading, some of these series. And so I really need to get on top of that. But getting rid of books is just so hard for me for some reason. I want to encourage them to read, but honestly, my kids just don't like reading that much. They like certain series, and they'll get a new book and then finish it in a day, and then it just sits and collects dust. So I almost prefer the library for books. So maybe I'll see if my local library can take some of these off of our hands. I'm really not looking forward to doing my daughter's room because I know she has a lot of toys in there that she just doesn't play with. But sometimes when her friends come over, they dig into them and make a huge mess in her room. And then she gets frustrated by that because she has to clean it. So I'd rather just avoid that and get rid of the stuff that she doesn't want anymore. And eventually get rid of like her whole toy chest thing. It takes up kind of a lot of room in her room. And she has like a little play kitchen. I was thinking how sad I am because it's really for like little 3-year-olds. And I mean, it's small. It's a small kitchen. I know 8-year-olds can play with it too. She's 8. But she just doesn't really play with it anymore. And I was thinking back to when I would play with my kitchen. I was probably about 5. So I understand she's kind of growing out of that phase. It's a little bit sad as a mom, but I'm looking forward to getting these rooms to kind of where they want them to be. They're not into character stuff anymore. So we got both of them new bedding, and they just kind of want a more grown-up vibe in their room. So and my son, once I get rid of these books, I'll go ahead and get him a taller cube shelf, I think. Maybe I can put some shoes, some hats, some of his collectibles, his books that he does want to keep. And it's funny because if you look at his closet, he doesn't really have a lot of clothes in there. He keeps most of his clothes in his dresser. So I like to just stick that in the closet once, he's over all his Nerf guns and all his toys that are taking space in there. And he said he would like a futon in his room, which I'm not sure it will fit in between the bed and the closet. So if I can't find one that will fit, maybe a beanbag or something else for him and his friends to sit on when they come and hang out with him. I'll have to give you an update on his room in another video, but the artwork looks great hung up. There's 7 pieces, so his walls are good to go. And he also got a new gaming chair in here. So slowly but surely, his room's getting to where he wants it. My brother, for his birthday, got him some super cool lights for his TV that sync with whatever is on screen. So he's definitely got the gamer vibe going on in here with the LED lights and all that. That's going to do it for today, though. I spent about 1 to 2 hours getting this cleaned up for him. And when I tell you guys, you can feel the difference in the air when you do a deep clean in a room. So go on, get out there, pick a small space or corner of your home and just start with one small task a day. If you find yourself sitting around bored, this is what I do. I get up and I wipe down my baseboards, or I wipe down all my windows, or I clean out a junk drawer, or I go to do a task that I have been putting off, like shredding documents or cleaning my office. I kind of just close the door and leave at the end of the day. But I know sometimes it seems absolutely dreadful. So I'm here with you guys, and if you just put me up on your TV, I have lots of cleaning motivation on my channel to get it done with you. But before you go, don't forget to give this video a like, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!